So this is our sick ride for the weekend. Evo gang, JK. Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Miguel, and today we are going on a trip to an abandoned lighthouse. I'm in Aguadilla with my, why do I keep wanting to say uncle? I'm in Aguadilla with my grandpa, my little sister, and my mom. We're visiting. It's been the first time since I've been here since I was about 2 years old. This abandoned lighthouse is on a military base, so I can't take my drone unfortunately, but I'll be going to Crash Boat Beach and we'll go ahead and check it out and make some dope shots while we catch some rays. So let's go ahead and let's get it started. Thought I scratched it. It is hot. You ready to go to the lighthouse?
To the what?
The lighthouse.
The lighthouse, yes.
Yes. So we're here guys. That's the ruins right there. It's a little cloudy. We've got a big rain cloud pulling up. So we're gonna try and check it out before it starts raining all over us. We got some dope abandoned buildings with some graffiti and everything. Oh, we're gonna go check out Ruinas De Faro, an abandoned lighthouse that was destroyed, right, by a storm and everything like that. And eventually it was replaced by the Coast Guard like 2 years later. So it's literally just been there forever. It's time to check it out. Yo, look at this beach, bro. Definitely gonna come back here to go for a swim. The camera doesn't do this place justice at all. I mean, it's pretty gorgeous. Jeez.
The lighthouse in here?
So this is like the center of it, and then the rest of it like spiraled up. So they didn't crash into the beach right there. You can even see the flag from here, from that building. That'd be a dope shot.
I'm crying.
I bet you are. All right guys, so we're gonna say goodbye to the lighthouse for now. Grandpa's been chilling by himself for a little while in the car. It's starting to get a little sweaty. The weather's nice though. But now we're gonna go get some food. Let's get it. Please.